Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Mississippi Girl Life. A little bit about me. I am Tamika, just a country Mississippi girl living in North Carolina. I am the wife to a Marine Corps veteran who is also a New York City boy. I am 34 years old and I am the mother to 3 children ages 15, 12, and 11. My channel is a variety channel aimed to inspire and motivate you in many different ways. Also, don't forget to check out the description box because it contains many special links. Please like, comment, and subscribe because it does help out the channel. I hope you guys enjoy my content and I will see you in the video. Okay y'all, so I'm in Food Lion, a different Food Lion, and we about to see what it look like in this one. Because I told you we have like 9 or 10 Food Lions in this area. So I wanted to see what it look like in here for us, the empty shelves and the prices. So I hope y'all enjoy. Okay y'all, so as I'm walking over here, I hear music in here, so I'm not gonna do much talking in here. So I want y'all to pay attention to the prices and the empty shelf, the gaps. Look behind as I try to put the camera so you can see it's not really much stuff on the in each row, but I'm not gonna be able to talk because I don't want to get a copyright strike. Okay.
Down. Keep putting me off, I'm not gonna change my mind. And your head's strong forward, but this time around I'm taking my time. Don't push me, I'm not coming down, I'm not giving up. Oh, don't rush me, I made up my mind, going straight to the top. A damn, and still they bow down, just appeasing the game to the visible ends of. You're not getting me no matter how hard you try, so just stay off. Come near and I'll leave, I'm just fine getting by. Am I the only one who's not giving up? I'm looking around, yeah, you all giving up. You need a slap in your face, time to wake the hell up. Follow blindly.
try so hard to fade away, but something's forcing me to stay. It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee. Oh,
Alright y'all, so that was Food Lion. You see that Food Lion is worse than the other one, okay? So like I say, it seems like where it's busy at, they try to stock it first, but that's still not enough food for everybody if it continue to be that low here in my area. And here it is rainy and cold today, okay? So I hope y'all enjoyed.
Okay, y'all, so that's the end of the video. I hope y'all had an amazing time watching and you enjoyed the content. Once again, don't forget to check out the information in the description box below. Also, like, comment, and subscribe because like I said, it helps out the channel. And I hope y'all have a safe rest of your day, morning, or whenever you're watching this video. Be safe, and I will see you in the next one if it's God's will. Bye.